Good day guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will release the free CHP wall to surface load converter version 1.1. In this version, we add some text information of the input data, where W is the equivalent pressure load, UW is the density of the masonry, LS is the length of slab, WS is the width of slab, LW is the length of masonry, HW is the height of masonry, and TW is the thickness masonry. Noting that, the value of the density of the masonry is dependent on its grout spacing. The calculated pressure load is the equivalent load only for the masonry and not included the plastering. If you want to add the plastering, as per table 204-2 minimum design dead loads of NSCP 2015, you need to add of 0.24 kPa for each face plastered. This portable application is very useful when there is a partition wall located in the slab without direct beam support. In the analysis of the structure, we need to convert the non-structural members, especially the non-load-bearing wall, into the pressure load. This pressure load will be applied to the slab and additional from the superimposed dead loads and live loads. Enjoy the free portable application, developed and encoded by Engineer Rules APEDA. Please subscribe to my channel, like my uploaded videos and also share. Thank you and God bless.